Got another quick video here. So this guy here, oh, there's a roly-poly over there. This here is the scarlet strawberry, another wild strawberry. It differs a little bit visually, if I take it over here, to the woodland strawberry. You might be able to tell the differences just a little bit just from looking at them. This guy here is real small because I got him just a little while ago while it was still winter. So it's got a little growing to do on top of the fact that it's fruiting. It's almost ripe there. Actually, if we try to focus in here, those are starting to turn red in the white spots. And I got a couple others here that I have had a lot longer. These are kind of offshoots from it. And this guy has not been a very good flowering plant, which is why I got the other one. I'm hoping that I can get some good experiments going together between the two of them eventually. Okay. And so these guys are a little different from the woodland strawberry. I could go into a lot of detail with that, but I don't really think I have the time right now. But basically the fruit is really different in terms of its kind of texture, shape, and that sort of thing. And so I'm really excited to try out those other ones that are almost ready here. This guy here is another one of those kind of offshoots that I kind of broke off. It's got a couple little roots growing down there. I really shouldn't have actually pulled that up. But the originals that it came from, I've had for a couple of years now over here. They're not doing too hot because of on account of how old they are. And so they've actually stopped producing runners, which if I can show you one over here from the woodland strawberry maybe. These runners here, what happens is towards the end of this here, oh, there's some, having a hard time seeing this here with you guys. These little runners here, they got some aphids on them. I need to spray these guys down again. They produce another plant towards the end here and start growing roots out of it, and it becomes a new plant. All these Virginia strawberries, they kind of stopped doing that last year and haven't started back up, so I'm a little worried I can't get any new ones out of it. So I'm hoping that these offshoots that I pulled off of it, maybe there's a problem, a root problem with it because of how root bound they are from how long they've been in there, or maybe something. I'm just trying to experiment to see with what'll work for that, see if anything improves off of them. But yeah, fruit almost ripe. Sorry about the focusing issue here. I don't know why it's doing that. And then from the last video, these woodland strawberries still haven't turned white yet, although this guy looks like he's getting ready to, which means that they'll be ready to pick not long after that. And one last little exciting addition to the garden, also collected last year. This guy here, it's a little hard to tell the difference between them because I've got some more woodland strawberries growing next to it, but this guy right here, all this is the Pacific blackberry. It's the only native blackberry on the west coast, and this is the first flower I've ever seen off of it. It looks like it's a female flower, which is really exciting to me because that means I can get fruit off of it. The Pacific blackberry only produces male or only female flowers, and so I might be able to pollinate it with some of the larger guys that kind of grow right behind me and get some fruit off of it to taste. Obviously not to plant because I don't want to grow any hybrids here. But yeah,